Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a worth the buy or nah foundation review on the very new Clinique Fit collection. Now this is the workout makeup, so that's why I have my sportswear on. I actually am about to go to xoxo. It is right now, I think 7:30 in the morning. My class starts at 9:30. It's like a 30-minute drive. So mama has to get ready early. And I really was intrigued by this. I actually saw this at my local Ulta and I like the packaging. Everything's super cute. I really did like the Clinique foundation. What was it called? It comes in that big bottle and it has like a doe foot applicator. It was really good stuff. I reviewed it probably like a year ago or maybe a year and a half ago. It was super nice and I came across this. The only thing that is frustrating is that it doesn't have very many shades, but I was just really intrigued about the fact that this is supposed to be like really workout friendly. Now I have to tell you the truth, when I work out I don't wear makeup. I usually, if I am wearing any makeup, usually it's like a lot because I'm filming and I'll like remove it and then go work out. I personally don't care how I look like when I work out, because when I work out I'm not focused on my appearance. I'm just focused on one thing, and that's sweating my ass off. So this is supposed to be like a sweat-proof, buildable coverage, natural matte finish, refreshing, lightweight, oil-free, 100% fragrance-free, 12-hour wear. So that's why I was like, let's see if this works out with me, because y'all know that I ain't playing games. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I hope it's, yeah, okay, good. I think it's a cute concept, like the little bag and everything. I've noticed that a lot of companies are coming out with fitness stuff. I also have e.l.f. stuff. So this is e.l.f. Active line. It's very freaking similar to the packaging of Clinique. And I bought a post cool down mist by e.l.f., which I'm also gonna be talking about today. It's supposed to be performance formula, sweat resistant, won't clog pores. I don't know why it says sweat resistant, because by the end of my workout, post-workout, I'm not sweating anymore. So I'm gonna try that after my workout. And then I have the workout ready hydration stick, which will also not plug your pores. It's infused with see, it's too early. It's infused with natural skin hydrants, shea butter, cocoa butter, aloe, grapeseed oil, instant boost of cooling hydration, twist, and then put it on. It's a breathable formula, is sweat resistant, won't clog pores. Now the e.l.f. line does not have like a foundation like this one. So I feel like I would gravitate towards maybe just putting on something like this. So today, instead of using my typical moisturizer, I'm actually gonna go ahead and use this little guy by e.l.f. It looks like that. I want to say this is like $6 or maybe $3. I will have the exact prices down below. But what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is I'm just going to go ahead and apply my eye cream before we apply any of these products, because you guys know I need to refresh these under eyes and give them that boost. And I do want to say, now that we're on the topic of fitness, that you guys have requested a lot for me to do a fitness workout video. Now, here's the two things. First things first, let me go in while I talk. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Active Hydration Stick. I like how it has that to protect it. So, and I found this stuff at Walmart in case you're wondering. So, Walmart's where it's at with the new e.l.f. fitness line if you haven't found it anywhere else. So, I personally, when I work out, I go alone. So that's why even when I do like my snap post or my Instagram story posts, I don't like show my full workout, because I don't have anybody to be holding up the camera while I'm like doing arms or while I'm doing other things, because I do a lot of stuff at the gym. I don't just run and do the Stairmaster, but that's what I personally am able to videotape, like to post on my snap. So that's why you guys see those things probably really often. It has like a really good cooling effect that I like. So it feels nice and smooth on skin. So this actually felt really good. I would probably just use this alone. So this e.l.f. one, I do like it. And I like the fact that it's kind of like you just strip it on. It's kind of like a stick foundation. But anyways, like I was saying about the working out. So I don't have anybody that goes with me. So for me, it's kind of hard to do videos. So it's about me finding somebody that can take time out of their day to go in there with me and me kind of show you a breakdown. Also, another thing is that I don't want to be like doing like a lot of a video or having like somebody like really in my face when there's a lot of people at the gym, so it's finding the right time for me to do it. But don't worry, I have been planning it out so that it can work out. I also just launched my website, which is www.themexicanbeauty.com. I don't have anything on there yet, but I'm planning to mainly focus more lifestyle on that page, like fashion, things that I'm loving to wear, music, and also my fitness stuff. So I'm gonna link the music and fitness stuff together because I'm a huge music whore, like especially when I'm working out, I have playlists and stuff. So I will probably link all those things together into one on my website so that you guys can see. So that's probably gonna be where you can find more of my fitness journey on there. And I'll explain everything from why I started, how I stay motivated, all that good stuff. So it's coming super, super soon. Just bear with me. Okay, so now what we're gonna go ahead and do is put on the workout makeup foundation. So it seems like it's gonna be really runny. You can hear it. It has SPF of 40, which is really good, especially if you're gonna be like outdoors or running, or you're gonna go for a walk, or you're gonna be doing something that's gonna involve light. I mean, everything involves light, no matter what, you know? And sometimes the rays that you think are not gonna harm your skin, like these indoor light rays, they can harm your skin too. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this baby on. So this is before, once I prepped with the e.l.f. Active Hydration Stick, my lip balm by Glam Glow, and my eye cream by Benefit. It's potent. Okay, so I actually forgot to bring my favorite brush from upstairs in my room because I was washing it and my beauty blender. So I'm gonna be using a different brush. This is gonna be the Morphe brush. I personally don't like to use beauty blenders when I'm using something so light because it's already gonna absorb too much. So I'm just gonna use a brush, and I'm in the shade medium. Ooh, this is a runny consistency. And then I'm just gonna take my Morphe M439 and just apply it. And like I mentioned, this is in the shade medium. It's definitely more of a sheer finish, I'm seeing right away. And also, I'm seeing that it's very, very, very lightweight. So it's supposed to kind of dry to a matte finish. I don't really care if I get like oily during my workout because I'm gonna take a shower after. So this is gonna be kind of like more of a short review. It's gonna be me working out, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Obviously, if the makeup lasts, then I'll wear it for longer and see how it holds up through the day. But I just have a feeling, even though it says that it's like sweat proof and it just does the damn thing, I just have a feeling that it's not gonna hold up through the entire day or past my workout. Because when I go to SoulCycle, it's basically an indoor spin class. It's an intense class, and I do the Soul Survivor, which is the 60-minute. Okay, so you can still see the blemishes, still see the peeking through of the redness. So we're probably gonna have to go in with one more light layer. So be really careful also when you're squirting it out because it's very runny and you don't want it to like get everywhere. So I'm just gonna go in those areas where I tend to see a lot of redness. You don't want to use it all over. I must say this is one of the lightest consistencies that I've felt. It feels like you have nothing on. Okay, now I'm gonna shake it again, just because I feel like it needs a good shake. And it sounds like you're making like a protein shake or something. And I'm just gonna apply it on the other side. I don't want to apply too much because I'm literally gonna be working out, so it doesn't really matter what I look like. Plus that room, SoulCycle room, is really dark. You're just listening to music while you're biking. It does have like a very very subtle scent of sunscreen, which makes sense because it's sunscreen 40. I do like the fact that it has that kind of sunscreen. I feel like this is gonna be better for like if you're going on walks or like if you're going hiking. Like this is gonna be the type of foundation that I would want to use for that. I thought what better way to test this Clinique Fit makeup than to do it at SoulCycle, because you guys know that if you guys have tried SoulCycle is like an intense quick workout. I like because it's not like long, but you really get a good sweat. Like you can burn between like 700 to like 850 calories easily. So that's what we're gonna leave it at. So up close, it looks really, really nice, fresh. It does not cling on to my skin whatsoever. That's another thing that I'm liking. I'm loving the fact that it doesn't feel like you're wearing heavy foundation. I do feel like it's more on the pink side, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but I don't think it'll be that big of an issue. I think it's an okay color. Clearly, if I were to get tanner, this would be way too light. But right now, I think it's fine. I just hate that they bring out such shitty shade ranges. Like Clinique, Get It Together. Their other foundation that I like, I think it's like the 2-in-1 Perfecting Concealer or something like that. That has a really good shade range, but this needs to get worked on. I'm assuming that maybe they just want to like test the waters and see how this does first. But you should have tested the waters while you were creating it and then bringing out a larger shade range. Let's be honest. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is go to my workout. I'm probably running late. And I will be back after my workout and let you guys know how this is holding up and how I like all these products. So if you guys wanna see how this Clinique workout makeup works out on my skin post SoulCycle, then please go ahead and keep watching so we can find out if this is worth the buy for my fitness lovers or not. Okay, so I am back from my SoulCycle workout. Jesus, today was super intense, and it doesn't help because yesterday I did an intense arm workout, and you do arms at SoulCycle as well. It's not just legs, and I was really going through it, but I'm freaking pumped because I'm just ready to get my arms super duper tight. That's like one of my priorities this year. But let's quickly address the fact that the foundation, well, the workout makeup is completely off. Like, it's off. I would say if you're doing an intense workout with the Clinique Fit workout makeup, there's no point even putting it on. I honestly think that any intense workout you do, whether you're going like on a serious run, like if you're training for a race, or if you're really intensely going in the gym, you're running, you're doing the Stairmaster, you're doing like a bunch of things, or like a class, then I wouldn't recommend it. If you're doing something that requires like you like sitting down and like doing like light yoga, I wouldn't recommend this for hot yoga either because you're gonna be sweating regardless. But maybe for like a regular yoga class, or I think this would be fantastic for people who are going for like long walks, like I mentioned earlier, or like a long hike. If you're somebody that likes to do more of a light workout, then I think you would really enjoy this. Clinique needs to get more shades though because it's not working out for me. I do also have to say, I wouldn't recommend you wearing this for an intense workout because it has sunscreen. It was really irritating my eyes when I was sweating. Like my eyes were kind of burning because of the sunscreen. I feel like spending $29 on this is not bad. I feel like that's an okay price for Clinique, but I just don't think this is worth $29 if you're gonna be only wanting to use this to work out because it's gonna wipe away. It's like your $29 keep wiping away. So for intense workouts, I wouldn't say this is awesome. But I must say that the e.l.f. products that I tried out, this Active Hydration Stick Balm is so nice. And I love the fact that, like I mentioned, it doesn't have a scent, but I don't know, there's something refreshing about it that like freshens you up. And when you apply it, it just feels so cooling and so hydrating on the skin. It really feels like it's preparing you for a good workout. Now, the spray is another one that I really like. And I have to say, e.l.f. did a really nice job with their packaging. I like the fact that it's just so clean and so like workout friendly. I feel like the spray felt so refreshing on my skin. I'm actually gonna spray some right now that I'm done with my workout. Oh my God, that's like an instant refresher, and the scent is very, very subtle as well, like this. And it's just refreshing. It kind of reminds you of like a little bit of cucumbers, like cucumber water with a little like florally scent, like, but it's very, very, very light. So I would have to say that these definitely, I will keep using them, and they're only like between like $3 to $6. So that's a really good thing. I would go more for these type of products that just will really cater and help my skin, as opposed to something that I'm putting on top of my skin. Sometimes I tend to feel like products that I'm putting on top of my skin are just clogging my pores further. Even though this is very light, I just feel like me working out when it's really hot and then having product on my skin just makes me feel kind of yucky, as opposed to just putting two products that are kind of really gonna nourish and really hydrate my skin throughout my workout is the bomb. So I would have to say that e.l.f. is a hit for me when it comes to their workout products. So those are all my thoughts. If you guys have tried any of the Clinique Fit collection or the e.l.f. Active collection, then please go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below, because I would love to know your thoughts. And if you haven't tried it, you know what I just said. I would recommend the cheaper over the more pricier. So those are all the things that I have to say today. If you guys enjoyed watching this video and you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and become a member of our family here on YouTube, because I wouldn't want you guys to miss the best reviews that I bring to you for the world. So go ahead and subscribe right now so you can be hooked to the new. And that being said, I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.